Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision. Now, on the weekend, Germany had their general elections, and I am looking for the market reaction to the elections result. So, what I've got here and want to start with is the Germany index, the DAX, and this is the daily chart. And as we can see, we had a very strong uptrend over here. We were quite overextended, and now we are pulling back. We are back into the averages, into the buy zone, that area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages. We also have the moving averages 10, 20, 50 fanning and in the correct order, and we have nice convergence here on the momentum indicators. So what I'm looking for is areas or levels that the market could pull back into, have some sort of a reaction and a continuation of this higher time frame move. So the area that I'm currently looking, drawing the Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, we can see that we have the 50% retracement in and around the area of the previous touches over here. It's not quite a swing high, but we did have a couple of touches at that area, and it's also in and around the round number of 22,000. So this is an area that I'll be interested in, and I'll be looking for signs that the buyers are returning into the market around that area. If we take a look at the higher time frame, we can see that the weekly is in a very strong uptrend and we're still quite overextended. So we could pull back in the context of the weekly a little bit further. And if we have a look here on the monthly, we can see the strong bullish push that we had here on the month of January and February. So the monthly is also very overextended, and we can see convergence very nicely on the momentum indicators and nice and fanning moving averages. So this is a more of a short-term reaction to the result, and this is the area that I'm after. But if we'll see the sellers still in control over this market, the next area that I'll be looking at is sitting in and around the 21,500 area. Moving on to the euro, and two crosses that I like in case we get to see a strengthening of the euro. And the first one is euro Aussie. Now, euro Aussie here on the daily is in a downtrend, but what we can see is that we reacted to a same level over here around the 1.63 and a half that managed to push to a higher high. So I'm looking for a continuation of that reaction, and I'm looking at a lower time frame. And if we take a look here on the 4 hours, we can see that the 4 hours has just changed direction. So we are now in an uptrend. We also pinged this previous swing high. So this is the first push that we had here on this time frame. We'll see it a little bit clearer on the 1 hour, so we can see that we cleared and closed above that area. So I like that move. We had a bit of an overextension here on the lower time frame, and this is really a short-term trading opportunities that I am looking at. So what I'll be looking for is a bit of a pullback in and around the 1.6420 area, and then a continuation on this push. Now, if we'll take a look at a much higher time frame, say the monthly, we can see that the monthly is basically going sideways. So there's no clear direction here on the monthly chart. On the weekly chart, we are still in a downtrend over here, but we had that strong push into that area, and we can see on the weekly this level has been quite a strong level of support and resistance in the past. So I'm looking for a bit more of a reaction to that level, and it's only on a lower time frame. The next one is EuroCAD. Now, EuroCAD is a little bit different. If we'll take a look here on the daily, we are compressing underneath this level in and around the 1.49. If we'll take a look here on the higher time frame, the higher time frame are still in an uptrend. So that's a bit of a difference from Euro Aussie. We've got higher highs and higher lows. And a quick look here on the monthly, and we can see that the monthly is also looking more bullish, and we also have here the moving averages in the correct order for an uptrend. So what I'm looking for in this case, and it's mostly on lower time frame, is another touch underneath this level. So currently we're still rejecting this area. I'd like to see a bit more compressions of price, and then I'll be looking for a break above that level. Now keep in mind, if we go back into the daily, that we still have this 1.5 area above us, which is an area that could see more seller joining this market. Lastly, I want to look at the chart of crude oil. Now, taking a look here on the daily, we had a strong push down here into the level of 70. Now, if we'll take a look on the much higher time frame, we can see that the monthly is still in a downtrend. We had a deeper pullback, and now we're rolling over. So from the weekly point of view, we can see that deeper pullback. We actually broke this previous high, but we rejected that move and we back into this level. So again, I'm looking for lower time frame potential setups. You can see here on the 4 hours, we actually moved quite fast into this level. So I'm not looking for a break and a continuation. I want to see a little bit more price consolidation above that level, picking up more momentum, and then looking for short-term trading opportunities to the downside. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.